Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video we're going to be doing some minor upgrades to the home studio. So I have a few things that I need to add on: sound, a few lights, and we'll see how the experience will be, and we'll see how the place will look. So this is it's a basic home studio. So if you haven't watched the videos on how I installed some of these things, like the foam panels, the link will be there on the top right of your screen, in the description too. If you haven't watched how I was able to install, or rather mount, the TV, you can check it out. So that was also one upgrade I did. I got a bigger screen recently, so it gives the room a nice look. So let's get ahead with the video, and welcome back, and thank you for tuning in. So to start with, I have the logo designed over here. Hopefully it's gonna give the place a nice look. I have my sound system over there, so that's the basic speakers I use. I bought these together. You can check out my DJ setup. And so I have some speakers over here that I was planning on adding, and I'll get an amplifier too, and a subwoofer. And here's the screen. Check out how I was able to mount it. There we go. That's the foam panels, easy installation. So let's get ahead, check out the lights, and it's just some basic DJ stage performance lights, affordable lights. So the link will also be in the description, so check out the install.
Feel like we're falling away. Maybe I just need to feel nothing to make it easier to turn.
So it's a set of 4 lights. The package got rained on. I was ripping it apart. There was no other way. So these lights, if I have a case that's still, so they have a stand, as you can see. So that's the metal part over here. So, and each one has its own, so it's a set of 4, and each one comes with its own remote. So whichever lights you'd want to set up. So we'll just start with one of them and install these ones. They do have like a bolt or a screw. Yeah, let's do this one, and then set them up and see how they look.
Maybe we're fanning the flame. So why do I keep holding out my hand to get burned? I don't wanna clash anymore.
So there we go. One's pretty much set up, and it has a few settings at the back. You can change them how you want, and you can keep it constant if you want to. Green, and just keep it constant at green, and then we can set up the rest. And we can try blue. Leave it at blue. Set up the other 3, and then just spread it around over here, and then just see how it looks.
I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away, yeah. I don't wanna crash anymore. I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away.
So the setup is pretty much complete. I have one light over there, one over there, one over here, and another one over here. And I think once I turn the lights off, that's how it looks. So it looks super nice. It's got that nice vibe. So yeah, this is super nice, and you can change them however you want them. So you can try different modes and see how they are. You can try the flash mode. Just leave it at auto, leave it at blue, We can try jump mode. You have the gradual mode where it changes slowly. So that's super nice. So for now I'm just going to leave it at a one light, and or rather one mode, and I think that should be it. I don't think I'll be able to get to the sound today, but the sound will be the next thing to do an upgrade for, so that will be the next one. So watch out for that video. And these are just some basic beginner lights that you can use for your home studio, and I think they do make the place pretty much, you know, super nice, super cozy, and yeah, it looks great. So the link will be in the description. So these are some bargain lights. I think they're around 47 bucks, so please get them if you think they might be helpful to you. So this has been a nice upgrade. Check out the other videos, check out the DJ mixes, and for my other channel, which is going to be solely for DJ mixes, please check it out, subscribe to that channel. And if you're into dancehall, afrobeats, whatever you're into, let me know in the description so we can be able to cover them next time. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one. Ciao.